Hi, this is DionysianMyst here, and today I'm going to be working on and continuing the SlugEncode project. Uh, so so let's get started. I believe this is part three of the live coding of it. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm doing is going back to base 32 and going to my cargo and implementing a feature. So first we gotta put the version, then we're gonna put a feature. This feature is a lock or outlock, how how however you want to pronounce it. It's basically allocating on the heap. So this allows us to let's see. This allows us to convert it straight to a string. So let's go to base 32. Okay. Let's see. I'll probably change in the future and make sure it's done a bit better so it can work on like systems that don't have a heap. But for now, I'm just gonna do this. So we have base 32. So what we want to do is find the implementer. Okay, so let's add that. So these are the implementers. So now we can do encode string. Let's remove these such as string. There we go. So now we can do these. Okay, so that should be done for that. So now we can just see, so it will play on the heap post with strings. Okay, let's add this to these. Okay, now come to the testing part. So let's write some tests for this. One sec, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and let's see. So I'm trying to put some input into this, so I can see if it encodes. So let's just type some random string. And let's find a hash function. For this, I'm using SHA-3. Change this to 224. Let's change this to message concat. And just take 1 byte, 2 byte. Let's just take the first 8 bytes. Okay. Now let's get into this. So I could decode it, but I'm just gonna use the characters. So let's see. I'm gonna do that like that. So let's do this. So let bytes equals. So this doesn't convert from hex first, but it just gets the bytes of of the string. So it's a hex string in ASCII or UTF-8. So it'll just get the bytes of that instead of the actual bytes behind it. So it'll get the string bytes. Okay, let's try this. So hex should be the same. So let's do bytes. Okay, let's give this a try. Mm-hmm. Hex was a byte of this. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. So this is base 32 with the padding. This is without the padding. This is base 58. This is base 64, and this is base 64 with the URL safe. So that works pretty well. It should work for each type. So let's get back into this. What else can we do? So what we're gonna add is get encoding using array. So that will return the encoding that strings in. Actually, let's do try get encoding. So it'll attempt to get the encoding for it. So that's working pretty nicely. And if we wanted, we could implement it on a struct. So let's do a test for that. This would be, still have to implement that so it works better. But here, let's just try this. So I'm gonna have to find a way to do this. So right now I can't do that. We'll get back to that later. So let's work on the Slug API. So we're going to do encoding. Actually, let's make a new none. So that's the num for that I'm gonna pass in, and that should have most of the encodings. So I'll work on this in the next video. See ya.